Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to overlay photo on Instagram post. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, let's just create a new post on Instagram. Click on this plus button, and here I'm just going to select a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one, guys, for example. Okay, then we can click on next. And if you want to overlay photo to this post, you can just click on this icon and choose a photo you want to use it as an overlay. I'm gonna go with this photo, for example. And then here we can zoom in or zoom out. Oops, wait guys, we can zoom in or zoom out like this, and we can also change the frame. You just need to tap on the overlaid photo like this to change the frame. I think I'm gonna go with this one, and we can place this photo anywhere. Wait, I'm just going to place it right here, for instance. Okay, once we're done, we can click on next, and after you're ready to share your post, you just need to click on share, and this post will be shared to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can overlay photo on Instagram post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.